Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. So here let's suppose that I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. My objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to create that lead as a contact in GoHighLevel CRM. So now to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be GoHighLevel. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. So here let's assume that I have an event management company and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my GoHighLevel CRM account. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So in order to reach this homepage, you just have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options, that is of sign in and sign up free. So as I'm an existing user, I will go to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads to GoHighLevel automation, because this is an automation for Facebook lead ads to GoHighLevel. And here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. Whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my GoHighLevel CRM. So now in order to do that, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to create a contact in GoHighLevel CRM. So in order to establish a connection between them, I'm going to use lead connector. So here I'm going to use lead connector v2. And now the action event will be to create a contact. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now over here, in order to begin with the automation, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads because I've already logged into my account in one of the tabs. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my company and the lead gen form which is associated with my page. So this here is the page for my company that goes by Sparkle Evenings. So here in this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page that is by the name of Sparkle Evenings. Here it is. After selecting the page, now I'm going to select the lead gen form which I want to use. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads forms which I have created before. So I want to use this lead ad form that is by the name of new leads form, and this is how the form looks like. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the form. So once I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded over here in Pabbly Connect. So in order to do a test submission, I will go to this new tab and over here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to more and I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool and this tool is going to test the connection. So from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page. After selecting the page, I'm going to select my form. And once I've selected both of them, I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the form and I've already filled in the details of the contact number, email, first name and last name. And now here I'm going to click on next. I'm going to submit this. And here it says, thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been sent to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that I have received a response. So here in the response, this is the contact number. Here's the email, first name, last name, created date and time along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created right now is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, now by using the details, I wish to create it as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So here I will go to this lead connector V2 action window and now I'm going to click on connect. So here I'm going to add a new connection. If you have an existing one, you can go with the same. So to add a new connection, I've already opened my GoHighLevel account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. So from here, I'm going to select my account, that is Pabbly Connect. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see that a connection has been successfully established. So now moving to these details. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received these details from Facebook lead ads, so that is why here in these fields, I'm going to map the details from that response. So now moving to the phone number. So this here is the phone number and I've mapped it. So over here in these fields, I have mapped the details which I have received from Facebook lead ads. So as I've mapped these details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as in these fields, I've successfully mapped the details which I have received from Facebook lead ads. So moving ahead, as I have not got any of these details and these are not mandatory as well, so I'm going to leave them blank and here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here I've received a response and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my GoHighLevel account and over here in GoHighLevel, I will go to contacts. And here in contacts, you can see that a new contact has been created by the name of current contact. This here is the phone number, this here is the email and you can see the created date and time. So that means a contact has been successfully created in my GoHighLevel account from the lead that I've received from Facebook lead ads. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be created as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.